And the Effects House Creator of the Year is Andy Rabino.
Sana yung speech pwede din filter na lang, no? So, randomly lalabas. Yung una kong nabasa yung email na nominated ako, I was super excited. But at the same time, I was really thankful and I realized na sobrang dami pala talagang gumagamit ng ginagawa kong filters. And so, if nasabihan kayo ng TikTok effect na mabubuntis kayo sa 2024 or ikakasal kayo sa 2024, so baka ako yung gumawa ng filter na yun. And sobrang thankful ako sa effect, sa effect lead sa Effects House Philippines lead, Shar Estrella, for inviting me na maging part ng Effects House community dito sa Philippines. And also to my co-Effects House creators and sa mga nominees tonight for this category. And to my friends and family na super supportive, na sila talaga yung unang gagamit kahit walang nag-review ng videos nila. So basta magamit lang nila yung filters na ginawa ko. And to my parents na, actually my mother just messaged me, ano daw yung natanggap ko, pero sabi ko wala pa. So message na lang kita mamaya. Ay, sa September 30 pa pala. So, and then, sa papa ko na who passed away like early this year, I believe na you're super proud seeing me receiving this award. So, and yeah, to everyone, of course, to TikTok Philippines, so bago makalimutan, so sobrang salamat for this recognition. And yeah, super last na, so sorry. Yeah, I believe yung effects, kasi when I make effects, it's not to be popular being the creator of the effect. My goal is to reach like as many people as I can and to help them express their feelings and thoughts na hindi nila ma-express sa any other form of content. So, ayun lang. And thank you very much and have a great evening. Thank you.